Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video is part of my trading routine where I capture and review my trades. Today I found on my scanner a ONON pre-market gapper. It's a new stock. You can see on the daily chart we don't have much history. There is only data starting September 2021, and today it jumped 21% pre-market, so I hope it will go higher. The price is at the all-time high, and we have a nice bull flag. So let's get started, and we'll see how it plays out. As you can see on a 2-minute chart, there was a strong move pre-market with a very high volume. Now the price pulled back a bit, forming a bull flag. I see many buyers on level 2, and there is no meaningful resistance at this point. So I think it might go much higher. So I opened a long position, 1000 shares, waiting for trend to continue up. I see a very nice movement in my direction, and I wanted to add 500 shares, but I already exceeded my margin, and it doesn't allow me to add some more. So I will remain with the 1000 shares. As I watch the price movement, it looks like it hit some kind of resistance at this level, and it might go down. The loss at this point already exceeds my daily profit target of $500. So I'm starting to get really nervous. Unfortunately, it looks like there is some buying pressure that keeps the price from dropping down. In addition to buying pressure, we see higher lows. So the price movement is still an uptrend. So let's give it a chance to go up. It looks like there is a really strong resistance at this level. You can see the price just hits the line and goes back down. I will add a trend line to visualize the level that would make sense for me to bail out from this trade. So if the price goes down below this trend line, I will exit my position. Now would be a perfect time to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I want to be prepared in order to exit my trade quickly if it goes against me. So I will place a stop loss order. And it looks like I made a mistake, and my order may trigger instantly. So I will adjust the price. Let's cancel that. And I'll set it to 43.74, just below my trend line. So now I'm ready to exit the trade if it goes against me. So let's just wait and see how it plays out. Probability is the name of the game, and I have all the chances for this trade to play out nice, but there is always a chance it will just drop, and I will lose some money. So I always have to be prepared and manage my risks. This is why I set a stop loss order. It looks like we are getting some momentum back, and the price is really trying to break out the resistance level. I have set a sell limit order at my profit target level, 45.62. Now my reward to risk ratio is about 2 to 1. Okay, so I'm risking $1 to get $2, and the price is already going higher. Good. Unrealized profit is already $500. So all I need to do is to wait until it reaches my profit target level. 600. Nice. Now I have to be really patient, because price is going up and down, and it's really easy to give up and say, okay, I will take my partial profits just to lock some profits in. But I see a lot of potential in this trade, in this setup, and I really think it will reach my profit target. So I'm risking the current amount, and I want to wait a little bit more. It's almost there, almost there. I have already $1,100 in unrealized profits. Come on. Well, this is not a good sign. After such a strong move, the price just goes back. It looks like we hit some resistance at this level, and the price easily can go back down. And now I'm getting nervous about my profits. It already dropped to $800. But it looks like there is some buying pressure, and the price might go even higher. So I will increase my profit target. And since I don't want to give back my profits, I might adjust my stop loss order. So this will be a winning trade no matter what. If the price goes down, I will still keep some partial profits. And if it goes higher, I will have even more profits. So this is a win-win situation. This is a good position to be in. You just have to wait and see how much money will you make. Looks like I was right, and the price just reached my profit target level. And if the price continues to rise, I can make more than $1,500. That would be a great trade. But it looks like we just stopped at this level and they're struggling to go higher. And I'm thinking about starting to take my profits. Okay, I'm ready to get out, so I'm pressing the close position button, and it cancels my open order and it places a sell limit order at the current price. And it looks like I already have filled 500 shares. Sometimes when the volume is low or there is a big spread between the bid and ask, or maybe price just moved faster from your limit order, so it takes time to fill the order, and it might be a good idea to use a market price, so it will execute immediately. I cancelled my sell order and I still have 200 shares, so I will just use a sell market order to get out. Let's wait just a bit to see, maybe the price might go up. And it looks like the price action really slowed down. Okay, I gave it enough time to show what it wants to do, and there is not much movement, and I'm already too long in this trade, so I'm ready to get out. And I hit the sell button, and I'm out of the trade for $1,100. I'm really happy with the results. Of course, I could wait a bit more, and maybe it will go even higher from this point, but I have a golden rule, time proven, and not to overstay my welcome in the market. So I'm out. I will take $1,100 for the half hour of work anytime. I hope that my experience is helping you with your trading practice. You're welcome to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.